Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Screw Now, and Puzzle Fun. So as you can see, this is what the game looks like. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a game that claims that you can cash out. So basically, this is what the game looks like. And as you can see, you can claim a Labubu with big rewards right here. Which is actually too good to be true. I'm just going to say this right off the bat that this app might be a scam. They're rated 4.6 out of 5 stars with only 11 reviews, and there are no user reviews written right here. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. It only has 1,000 plus downloads. So please guys, do not download this game in the hopes of making money, since it is too good to be true, and there are a lot of scam games like this that have been coming out. So yeah, that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.